In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Hytale account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in accounts.hytale.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official login interface of Hytale. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. But if you want to create the account for yourself, click on this option, register here, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to register for your Hytale account. You'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to sign up with Discord, Epic Games, Google, Microsoft, etc. So simply click on the login method that you would like to use. Here I'm just going to click on this option, sign up with email. Now once you do that, you'll have to enter the email over here. So click on the field of email address and provide the email address with which you would like to create the account for yourself. After you do that, what you have to do is click on this option, sign up, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll have to create the password for yourself. Your password must contain at least 8 characters. So simply create the password for yourself. Now after you create the password, click on this option, sign up, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to select your birthday to continue. First of all, select the month. Click on the field of month and select the month over here. Likewise, click on the field of day and select the day. Also select the year over here. Now after you do that, click on this option, save date of birth, that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you'll have to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy of Hytale. If you would like to receive the news and update, check on this box that you can see on the screen. Now check on this box, I have read and agreed to the terms of service. Also check on this box, I have read and agreed to privacy policy. Now click on this option, continue, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to verify your account. You can see over here a verification link will be sent to your email address. So simply go to new tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Gmail. You can see over here Hytale has sent me the email. Simply click on the email sent by Hytale. Now in this email, you'll be able to see the verification link. Simply click on this option, confirm account, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to another tab. You can see over here, now your account has been verified successfully. Now your account has been created. So like this, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. So that is how you create Hytale account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.